like you're famous, but you made your bed and now it's time to lie. And I'm gonna make it hurt when I take my turn. Gonna let it all burn.
Leaving line in give or take 30 seconds. Down to 40, 40, right 4. One drunk on our right. 60. No, 60. 60. Down to 40, 40, straight over. One drunk on our right.
Till there's nothing left, let it all burn. Till the bitter end, let it all. You could say this, it didn't come as a surprise. You're hiding shadows like you're famous, but you made your bed and now it's time to lie. And
straight over and then into a left 4. Straight over, left 4. Still in it, 50. Dropping down to 60, 60, right 6, into a 50, right 4, 50, right 4.
Let it all. I'm gonna let it all.
20, left 4. Oh fuck, we're on like actual fire. The engine just lit on fire. Are you serious? Yeah. Okay, I'll pull over. I don't know. Left 3, 30. Yeah, we're on fucking, like, actual fire. Can you see fire? We're just fucking flaming out of the engine. Oh, fuck. Pull the thing? Yeah, pull over. I gotta find a spot. Pull the fucking fire thing. Huh? Pull the fire suppression. I fucking tried. It doesn't work. Is it, we're fucking burning bad. Pull up left here, left. Ah, fuck. Still way the fuck off course. It's okay, we're waiting for these guys to go. I just can't see. We're fucking already burning again. Are we? Yeah, we're smoking bad. Okay. We're dumping smoke out of this fucking thing. Fuck, I don't want to stop here. Should we get out? Turn this thing off. Turn it off? Do you see flames or just smoke? I saw flames again. Fuck. Are you fine with leaving the hood? Yeah, I'm fine with leaving the hood.
I'm gonna let it all burn.
Physically, right 3. There we go. Right 3.